Rob here from Media. In this video, we're going to be talking about the testimonial element in Elementor, so stay tuned. At Media, we help companies to grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks, and marketing techniques. From websites to online marketing, automated sales funnels, social media, and much more. We're always releasing new content on our YouTube channel, so make sure you click the like, subscribe, and notification button to make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to tell you about an exclusive offer we have on at the moment. We're giving away free access to our paid Hub platform to the first 50 people that click the link in the description. We're going to be putting this link in the description of all of our videos, so make sure that you get in there as quick as you can. Within Hub, we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on how to build a website using Elementor. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click the link in the description. Let's get on with the video. Hello, welcome to this video. We're going to be talking about the testimonial element in Elementor. Before we begin then, I've got a page layout of Elementor full width. I've got one section here with one column in, and I've changed the background color of the section to blue. To get back to our elements then, we just need to click the grid here. So let's find our testimonial element down in the general elements area. Here it is. So let's drag that into our column, and this is what we have by default. So in this video, we're going to go through content and style. A lot of the advanced options have their own videos, so go and check those out. But let's go back to content and begin. So the first thing we've got then is the content itself. So this is the quotation that the testimonial says perhaps. So it might say something like great job. Obviously you put in whatever you need. After you put the content in, we've got an image. I haven't got an image of a person here, but I'm going to put this picture of myself and Dan outside our first office. And then we've got the image size. So we've got, at the moment it's on full. We could choose thumbnail if we like, as this image is only very small anyway. But for now, I may as well just leave it on full. That means if we do stretch this image up in any way, it's going to keep its quality. We've then got the name. I'll leave that as it is. And we've also got the title. So this could be something like CEO or manager, something like that. We've then got a link, so we can link this testimonial perhaps over to the individual's LinkedIn page maybe, or to their website. Of course, if you are linking them away from your website, make sure you click the cog, select open a new window. That means when they're done on the website you've sent them to, they'll return back to this page. We've got image position, aside and top. I'm going to leave it on top. And then we've got alignment, left, center and right. And I will leave that on center. So that's it when it comes to the content of testimonial. I'm just going to pause for a moment so that you can stop the video and add your own testimonial in, and then we will come back and we will style this. Okay, so let's style our testimonial. Let's go to style at the top left. The first option is the text color of the content. So that's this here. It's currently white. I'm going to leave it on white. And the typography, I'm going to change to Josephine Sans REM 1.2 and a weight of 300. There is a separate video on how to use the typography tool. It's a tool you're going to be using quite a lot, so I recommend you go and check that out. Let's close that. Next, we're going to style the image. We've got the image size. So remember I said about showing the image at a bigger size. If this was 150 by 150 thumbnail, the image would start pixelating, but because we've got it on full, it's going to keep that quality. So I'm just going to leave it around there. Border type, we've got solid, we've got double, we've got dotted, and so on. I'm going to leave it on solid, and I'm going to give it a width of 5. We've then got a color of this border, which I'm going to put as white. There is a separate video for the color picker tool as well, so go and check that out. It is a tool you'll be using quite a lot. Let's close that window for now, and now we've got the border radius. So currently by default this is set as a circle. We like squares, so I'm going to set the border radius to 0. However, if I just show you, if we increase this number, we can see that the corners become more rounded. Let's put that back to 0. The next part we're going to style is the name. The text color I'm going to leave white again, and the typography this time round I am going to go with Amatic SC. I'm going to make that fairly large so you can read it. There we go. and a weight bold. Close that. And lastly, we've got the title. This time I'm going to go with the green, and the typography, I'm going to go to Josephine Sands again, REM, and we can see that John Doe is the CEO. Let's close that window. And that's all there is to it when it comes to the testimonial element. I would recommend that you go and check out Elementor Pro, as there are some really cool elements that you can use to make your testimonials even better. So, but this is the general testimonial element with Elementor. So when you're happy with your testimonial, go down to the bottom, click the green update button, and we will see you in the next video.